Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden tool storage solutions. Wooden tool storage solutions offer a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, catering to the needs of organizing tools while enhancing the overall ambience of a workspace. Whether it's a professional workshop, garage, or a DIY area, wooden storage options present a wide array of possibilities, ensuring tools are not just organized but also well preserved. One of the classic and enduring wooden tool storage idea is the workbench integrated with the storage compartments. Crafted from sturdy woods like oak, pine, or maple, these workbenches feature built-in drawers, shelves, and cabinets. This multifunctional setup not only serves as a workspace but also keeps tools within arm's reach, allowing for efficient use and easy access while working on projects. Wall-mounted wooden tool racks and pegboards represent a space-efficient solution that maximizes vertical space. Utilizing walls to store tools using hooks, shelves, or slotted panels helps free up valuable floor space. The customizable nature of pegboards allows for rearranging hooks and holders to accommodate various tool sizes and shapes, ensuring a tailored and organized setup. Rolling wooden tool carts or trolleys provide both mobility and ample storage space. These carts often comprise multiple tiers of shelves or drawers, offering flexibility and convenience in organizing tools. With sturdy wheels and handle, these carts can be effortlessly moved around a workspace, allowing for tools to be transported where needed. Wooden toolbox designs are a timeless option for portable and organized tool storage. Traditionally crafted with compartments and trays inside, these boxes efficiently segregate tools based on size or functions. Their durability ensures longevity, making them a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts or professionals on the go. Repurposing old wooden furniture into tool storage adds a touch of character and uniqueness to a workspace. Converting an old dresser, cabinet, or chest into a functional tool storage unit not only provides an eco-friendly solution, but also brings a personalized and vintage aesthetic to the space. Incorporating wooden shelving units or cabinets with clear glass doors can strike a balance between practicality and aesthetics. This allows for easy visibility of tools while keeping them protected from dust and debris, blending functionality with an appealing display. For those seeking a customizable and adaptable storage solution, modular wooden storage systems offer versatility. These systems typically consist of stackable units or cabinets that can be arranged and combined according to specific needs, allowing for a tailored storage setup. Additionally, magnetic wooden tool holders or strips provide a simple yet effective way to organize hand tools. Mounted on walls or inside cabinets, these magnetic strips securely hold metal tools in place, keeping them easily accessible while saving space. Wooden tool storage ideas don't only prioritize functionality but also contribute significantly to the overall aesthetic and organization of a workspace. They seamlessly integrate form and function, enhancing efficiency and creating a visually pleasing environment for pursuing craftsmanship and DIY projects. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you'd like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.